As I mentioned, the prerequisites for working with React and Cosmos DB is NodeJS. And here you can download Node.js by visiting this website, nodejs.org/en/download, and you can choose the version. For instance, over here I've got 64-bit operating system, so I'll be installing Windows Installer 64-bit. You just need to click on it to initialize the download process, and once downloaded, you need to just double click on it to start the installation. Once installed, the next thing that you need to do is install React if you have not installed it already. So for that, you can just go ahead and copy this command npm I react, and once copied, you can go to command prompt, and here you can paste this and press enter. As I've already installed React and Node, so I won't be installing it all over again, but just showing you the process of installation. Once you are done with this, you're good to go for developing a React web application.